हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करेंगे क्लास 9th बी हाई चैप्टर 3 पोएम रेन ऑन द रूफ के क्वेश्चन आंसर। इससे पहले आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट करेंगे हम थिंकिंग अबाउट द पोएम। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, व्हाट डू द फॉलोइंग पैसेज मीन टू यू, डिस्कस इन क्लास। तो फर्स्ट है ह्यूमिड शेडोज। तो इसका आंसर है हम देख लेते हैं। Humid shadows refer to the dark clouds that produce rain. तो फर्स्ट का आंसर है हमारा ह्यूमिड शेडो रेफर टू द डार्क क्लाउड्स दैट प्रोड्यूस रेन। सेकेंड पे चलते हैं। स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर्स, एक मिनट, स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर्स। तो सेकेंड का आंसर है स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर्स रेफर टू द नाइट स्काई abounding in star. Second answer, stratosphere refer to the night sky abounding in stars. Third है what a bliss. तो इसका आंसर है what a bliss refers to the happiness to the poet when it rains. Poet gets into cottage and enjoy the patters of a rain upon the roof. फोर्थ देख लेते हैं। A thousand dreamy fences into busy winged star. स्टार्ट है। फोर्थ देख लेते हैं। A thousand dreamy fences into busy winged star. इसका आंसर है this refer to the various imaginary thoughts and fantasies that are aroused in poet's mind. फिफ्थ देख लेते हैं। A thousand recollection waves their air threads into roof. फिफ्थ देख लेते हैं। A thousand recollection waves their air threads into roof. तो इसका आंसर है this passage mean that numerous memories intermingle to form a beautiful picture that the poet recollects. सेकेंड पे चलते हैं। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है हमारा, what does the poet like to do when it rain. तो इसका आंसर है when it's rain the poet feels delicious to lie with his head pressed against the pillow of his cottage chamber bed and listen to the patters of the soft rain. थर्ड क्वेश्चन हमारा, what is the single major memory that comes to the poet? Who are the darling dreamers he referred to? तो इसका आंसर है the single major memory that comes to the poet is that of his mother and her fond look. The darling dreamers are the poet and his siblings in their childhood when they were lovingly put to sleep by their mothers. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। Is the poet now a child? Is his mother still alive? तो इसका आंसर है no. The poet is not a child now. He is a grown up man. He remembers her when he is inside his cozy cottage and enjoy the patterns of the rain on the roof. फोर्थ का सेकेंड पार्ट देखते हैं। When you were a young child, did your mother took you in as the poets did? तो इसका आंसर है yes. My mother used to took me in when I was a young child, just like the poet mother did. Self experience question. तो ये आप खुद से कर सकते हैं। इस सेकेंड पार्ट चलते हैं। Do you like rain? What do you do when it's rain steadily to or heavily as described in the poem? तो इसका आंसर है yes, I like the rain. When it's rain steadily, I get into my house and enjoy the weather with family. We enjoy a tea. It is wonderful experience. ये सेल्फ एक्सपीरियंस क्वेश्चन है, आप उसमें कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं कि आप रेन में क्या करना पसंद करते हैं। थर्ड क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। Does everybody have a cozy bed to lie in when it rains? Look around you and describe how different kinds of people or animal spend time, seek shelter, etc. during rain. तो इसका आंसर है नो, एवरीबडी इज़ नॉट अ fortunate enough to have a cozy bed to lie in when it's rain. Not everybody gets to enjoy the comfort to cozy homes during rain. I have seen animals seeking shelter under trees and under the tin roofs of the small roadside tea stalls. The people passing by shoo away these animals and try to shrink themselves under the limited space of these shops. The poor animals are left shivering and drenching on the roads. The shopkeepers of such stalls are delighted as the people waiting for the rain subsides often and buying tea and snacks. तो गाइज़ ये रही हमारी क्लास 9th बी हाई चैप्टर 3 पोएम रेन ऑन द रूफ. I hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.